today I have an Ulta and Sephora haul. Hey guys, it's April. Welcome back to my channel. Before I get started today's video, I just want to remind you guys to hit the subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate it. It would really help my channel out a lot. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for watching. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a little Ulta and Sephora haul, like little combination. So without further ado, let's just get started with today's video. Okay guys, so today I have an Ulta and Sephora haul. I'm just going to start off with what I got from Ulta first. So the first item that we have in here is I got a new sponge. So this is the Morphe sponge. This is the same one that I have been using since my birthday. I know, don't judge me. My birthday's in October. Please don't judge me. Yeah, I needed a new sponge, but I fell in love with the Morphe sponge. It's just really nice. This is the exact one that I got for my birthday last year. This is called the Flawless Beauty Sponge. I like it because it's pointed, so you could use it as like a concealer, sponge, and then down here you could apply things like foundation and stuff, and I just love the shape of this and the consistency. Another thing that I wanted to note is that this sponge does not rip. I've had sponges that like my little impress nails would like easily rip, and it just was like, wait, what is that really supposed to happen? But this one never ripped, and it's just held up. And I've had it since I want to say I had it since the beginning of November, so it lasted me almost 10 months, and I haven't gotten like one rip in it. It's like still in great condition, but I just really needed to replace it because I don't want to get a skin infection, and I feel like my skin has gotten a little like blah lately, and I was just like, you know what, maybe I need to replace my Morphe sponge, so that is what I decided to do. And then I also got two eyeliners from Ulta. So this one is the Wet n Wild eyeliner. This one is in the shade Cosmic Black. So this one, if you guys can tell closely, the lid looks kind of sparkly, so I think that this might be like a black eyeliner that has glitter in it, which I think is like super cool. I used to have one of these in junior high, and I never found one like it again, so I was like, I need to try this again, because if it's really like that sparkly black that I love, then I need this in my life. So I decided to get one of those, and then I also got it in just the regular black color because we all need black liquid liner, and I really need to replace mine. Mine literally died today, so I'm really glad that I ended up getting some replacements. And then from Sephora, I am a Rouge member, don't judge me. And so I did get like a 20% off coupon. And so I got the Dior Addict Lip Glow. This one is in the shade Hollow Rose Gold, which is my favorite shade ever. This color is just so pretty. I will open it up for you guys. I have one right now that's almost out, but I've been like afraid to use it up just because I haven't bought a replacement, and I was just waiting for like some type of coupon. So now that I got a coupon, I decided to replace it. So this is what the packaging looks like. It is so pretty, you guys. I'm literally obsessed with this. This is like my favorite lip color on me. It's so pretty. So this is what the actual color looks like. Whoops, wrong way. Okay, so this is what the actual color looks like. It is so pretty, and I will swatch it for you guys. So this is what the color looks like. It's very sparkly, and it does have like that kind of holographic look to it. Every time I wear it, I get tons of compliments. So I was really excited to be able to pick this up for 20% off. So I got it for around $29 instead of like $34 or $35 or whatever it is. I really don't remember what the original price was, but I was so happy to be able to find this and be able to use my 20% off coupon on it. And now I can just work on using up my other one finally, because I've been missing using my Dior lip glow. I used to use it like all the time, and then I was just scared to use it for a while because I didn't want to like run out of it without having a coupon to get another one, because these ones are kind of expensive, but the product itself is amazing. But again, for how much product that you get, it is really expensive. So yeah, that is my little Ulta Sephora haul. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. Okay you guys, that is it for today's video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you guys have a glamorous rest of your day. Bye!